Hey guys, welcome back to Ready Set Viral. In today's video, we will be talking about the best doll hacks that you need to try out. But before beginning with today's video, I want you to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications as well, so you never miss out on future content from us. The first hack is something that all of us should try out. Do you want your doll to become a doctor? Say no more. To create a super cool stethoscope, you have to unfold a paper clip, trim the excess, glue on a thin cord, and attach a half bead to the end. Pretty simple, isn't it? And you can even experiment with the colors too, so they match the outfits of your dolls. It is so amazing. Do you want your doll's dress to look like the night sky? Well, it's easier than you think. Firstly, you need a special fabric, dark blue looking so it looks like the night sky, and the first thing you're going to do is make the top. Use another piece of fabric to make the rest of the dress and cut an opening for the waist. Once you've done that, you'll have an amazing dress. Get some shoes and you'll be good to go. Do you want to make your doll look super cool? Well, you'll definitely like this one. We have to mention something though. This hack is made for LOL surprise dolls. Get a pink balloon and cut off the ring. Make little cuts near the base and separate the smaller part from the rest. Make a cut out of a jumpsuit on a gold or yellow fabric and put it on the doll. Style the doll's hair into pigtails, dye them pink and blue using pastels, and that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now you have your own Harley Quinn doll. She looks amazing, doesn't she? And she was so simple to make. This one is going to be amazing if you want to make your dolls look like they've just been grocery shopping, or if you just want some food for them. Shape light clay into a loaf of bread and add some cuts to make it look more realistic. That's it. It's literally this simple to create small bread. You can make other types of bread and food using this method. It doesn't take much effort, it just takes a lot of creativity and some clay. Every artist needs an easel, right? Well, let me show you how to make one for your dolls. Firstly, get a coffee stirrer and hot glue 2 sticks to one. Make another, make the third leg, which has to be shorter and more stable. Connect 2 legs, add a little stick in the front as a stand, glue the third leg, and that's it. Really simple, right? A birthday hat would look amazing on your dolls, wouldn't it? How can you make one? It's super easy. Firstly, make 5 circles on a double-sided printed paper. Cut them out and in half. Wrap each semicircle into a cone and glue it. And that is it. So simple. If you want, you can add some amazing details on the hats with paint or markers so they look even better. Do you want your doll to wear glasses? It's super easy. Firstly, outline half of the glasses on white paper, bend the paper in half, cut out the inside part and then the outside, place it onto a sheet of thick paper, trace the template, and cut it out. Use an old plastic folder to make the lenses for the glasses, and that is it. Really simple, right? And honestly, this steps up your doll's class so much more. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Click the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed it, and turn your post notifications on. If you enjoyed it, also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, and we'll see you guys next time in a brand new one. Bye now!